G'day everybody, it's Michael here from Tech and Tools, and today we're going to be looking at just a small little thing I've purchased, and I think for the younger people or people who aren't as don't have a lot of money, this could be a little bit of help to your videography. It's a little light. Comes in this here. And if you're like me, I unfortunately don't have the money or the equipment yet to have those fancy cameras with really good lighting and stuff like that. So this is a little tiny disc light that can clip onto your smartphone, whether Samsung, iPhone. I shoot everything on my iPhone here myself. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it, and let's test it out. Okay, so this is it. All right, and so the description where I bought this from, I bought this off of eBay. It's called let's have a look here, a TechFlo mini clip-on selfie ring fill light camera photography for iPhone or Galaxy. There you go. So, and it sent me back Australian $17.99, so $18, so 20, under $20. So it's pretty, $20, it's not a big investment. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I have had this open before, so I had a look at it. So first of all, this is the main product. So it clips onto your phone like this. You have on the side the on-off button. It has a few brightnesses, so low, medium, high, off. It also has, so yeah, that's a little button there. This is your charge port. Oh, silicone thing open. So it's it comes with a USB to micro USB charger. So yes, that's the main item. Very light. Apparently it only weighs about 43 grams according to the instructions according to the website, eBay, description. I'm not even going to bother weighing it because it's as light as hell. In the box you also get a little charging cable, which is very short. What's that, maybe 8 to 10 inches, 250 mil or something like that. So as I said, micro USB type A, and you also get instructions, which it's pretty clear how it works. You'd have to be a rocket scientist. So we'll chuck that away. We will throw this back in the box because I've got plenty of USB-A to micro USBs around. And let's have a look at the, I'll show you the website and I'll show you how much this cost. Okay, so I've gone into my Logitech here. I'm hoping that everyone's able to hear me. So yes, this is it here. Let's flick to the web over to eBay. So yes, you can see here Australian $17.99. Very cheap. Where's the description here? There we go. So yeah, a little springy, weighs about 43 grams, and apparently has about a 45-minute duration at the brightest setting, and it's about 8 centimeters wide. So there's not much else that you need to know about it. So let's just give this a try on the on my iPhone, and let's see how this goes. All right. Okay, so let's just turn the slide off. So one of the other things I've noticed is if you're into clipping this on and you've got cases, I have a CPO case on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you try and, I can only just squeeze it on this case. So, and depending where I need to put it, depends on how it affects the camera, obviously. So, I've got to be very careful. I suppose you don't have to clip it on all the way, but that's one thing with some cases you've got to find an issue with. I suppose I could clip it on the bottom. Would probably be a good spot to use it, that way you don't get that aura effect. But, you know, it's... quite honestly, it is it's all plastic except for the spring. It'd be interesting to see how long it lasts. It does have some sort of grippy bits in here to grip onto the foam, sort of foam padding in here. You know, but for 20 bucks or 17, 18 bucks, you know, I thought I'd give it a try, see how long it lasts. It's better than nothing, and when you're shooting videography, lighting is everything. So, well, I'll be using this a bit more in the current videos, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, so I've got my phone here, and this is designed to sort of, we got the cameras at the back there. I think it's sort of designed to sort of clip over like that, or on top. I don't see any reason why you can't clip it on the side, you know, or the bottom, or anywhere where it's not being used, depending on how you use this. Let's go ahead and we'll clip it on there. I'll open up my camera. Let's see if it still works. Yeah, I'm using my main camera with it like that. If I put it like that, it kind of... So, yeah, so look here. You can see this. So you just got to position it right. It's got a clear view. And let's turn it on and see the differences with the phone. Okay, so here we are. We've got it set up on the phone. Turned off some lights in here to see, so we haven't got the light on at all at the moment. So let's just excuse me, we'll click onto the first setting. There we go. It's not too bright for me. See if that makes a difference. Let's go to the medium setting. There we go. Moving around the room. That helps light me up a bit better, my face. And the maximum setting, which is a little bit hard to look at for me, from my perspective, but hopefully it'll help. So yeah, there we go. There's the first sort of run of this. So let's have a look at the footage, and I'll see if it makes a difference, and we'll get back to you. Okay, just looking at that previous footage, having that light over the lens area seemed to wash out the video a fair bit, which is not particularly good. So I have now moved it from the top end of my iPhone, where I had it around the lens part, and moved it to the bottom of the phone where you would charge it. So let's just see the difference. I've also turned off some lights, so let's just see some differences here. We'll put it on level 1. So yeah, there's that. So a little bit of a, yeah, I think that hopefully will be a bit better. Geez, words are hard today. Let's put it to the medium setting. There we go. The medium setting. Looking around. And the highest setting, I think, is a little bit on the brighter side for me personally. But there we go. So that just goes to show moving it around is probably going to be the way to do it. You know, of course, you don't have to have this on your actual phone. You know, you could attach this onto anything. You know, you could use it on a laptop, thin enough screen of a laptop, an iPad as well if you're using an iPad. Wherever you're using it, you could hook it anywhere really, I suppose. If you needed some extra light, so you know, it can come in handy not just for using it on your phone. So as I said, you know, it's you know, be great for some young people wanting to just increase their lighting a little bit, because it's only 18 bucks in Australian. One of the other downsides was the cover. Where's my cover gone? Where did I put it? It's on the floor. Oh, there it is. If you have a too thick of a cover, is one thing. Now I use an Incipio cover. It's, you gotta be careful because it can only open up to about a 1 centimeter wide. All right, so that's another thing to be aware of. But you know, I've had this thing running. It runs for about I've been running it for about 40 minutes now, on various settings. It says the maximum is around 45 minutes at its brightest. And it charges with the micro USB. So yeah, quite happy with this little thing so far. I'll be using it as much as I can if I need it. Just, it's small, it's light, you can chuck it in your kit and hopefully improve your videos. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this little review. Sorry, as I said, words are hard today. On this little ring light. Yeah, so if you could subscribe, that would be fantastic. I'm going to bring out some more content. I'm going to do a review on Rode microphone soon. I'll get it out of its dead cat thing. So I'll be doing a review on this. It plugs in via Lightning to the iPhone. You can also get them for like Samsung. They plug into Samsungs with an adapter going to 3.5mm jack as well. So yeah, so look out for that video. But in the meantime, yes, like the video, please, subscribe. It'd be great. Nearly up to 700 subscribers. So in the meantime, thank you for watching and have a great day.